Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you all. These deals started today, which is August 29th, and they are good up until Saturday, September 4th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell, so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so in this transaction, I used about $30 worth of registry rewards because I wanted to go ahead and get stocked up on some more Scott products, and I wanted to get 3 cases of drinks. I didn't have any coupons for those, so I did use my registry rewards for those. In my opinion, there aren't that many good deals at Walgreens this week, but I for sure wanted to take advantage of the Febreze deal because I am very low in my stockpile with Febreze. So I did want to take advantage of these specific ones. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So first off, I have 3 of these Oral-B charcoal toothbrushes, and these are priced at Walgreens for $4. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to go ahead and purchase 3 at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $12. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, and then we also have a $2 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So in digital coupons total, that's $5. So $12 minus the $5 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to just $7. Then because you purchased 2, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards, bringing your total down to just $2 for all 3. Or it makes each toothbrush just 66 cents. Now, of course, y'all know that we always get toothbrushes, toothpaste for free, but I just still went ahead and grabbed those. And then next up, I have the Pause liners. This is the 26 count, and these are priced at Walgreens for $5.99. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing the total down to just $2.99. And then we also have a $2 IVC coupon on the Walgreens app, or you can use the Walgreens coupon savings book, but I had the digital coupon, so I used the digital. So $2.99 minus that $2 IVC coupon brings the total down to just 99 cents for this box of Pause liners. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Febreze fabric sprays. I wanted 2 gain, but they only had 1 gain, and they had this one, and these were the only 2 that they had. They had another one, but that one was priced at a higher price. That wasn't a part of the deal. So they are priced at $2.99. So $2.99 times 2 is $5.98. We do have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.98 minus the $3 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $2.98 for both, or it makes each one just $1.49, which is a good price for Febreze. That is actually a stock up price, guys. So go ahead and stock up. And then next, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Colgate 360 charcoal toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. And the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to go ahead and purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus the $3 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to just $4.98. And because you purchased 2, you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, bringing your total down to just 98 cents for both, or it makes each one just 49 cents. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Colgate Total Charcoal Toothpaste, and these are also priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital Colgate coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $5 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $2.98. And because you purchased 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, making both toothpaste completely free, plus a $1.02 moneymaker. And then after that, I just went ahead and I grabbed 3 cases of drinks, and these are priced at Walgreens for 3 for $8.99. So I grabbed 2 Sunkist and I grabbed a root beer. On my receipt, she thought that she rung me up for 3, but she actually rung me up for 2. So I had to go back into the store. Because she only rung me up for 2, they rung up at $6.99 each, and the deal is they are 3 for $8.99. So she did have to refund me $5.29 back to my card, but they are $3.99, and since I had registered rewards, that is why I grabbed those. And then with the Scott products, they are regularly priced at $5, but this week at Walgreens, they are buy one get one 50% off. So one will ring up $5, and then your second one will ring up half off at $2.50, making the total $7.50, or it makes each pack just $3.75. I have been checking the Scott brand website for some Scott coupons, but lately we have not been getting any coupons at all. So I wasn't able to get any coupons on the Scott brand website. Let's see. So $3.75 for those, and that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. Now I did use a total of 6 $5 registry rewards, totaling me $30. So I grabbed 2 Sunkist root beer, and then I grabbed 3 Scott tissue, 1 paper towel. So all of those registry rewards should have attached to my since I had 6, 4 could have attached to all 4 of my Scott products, and then 2 attached to my drinks. But sometimes when you're using registry rewards and digital coupons, sometimes those registry rewards will kick your digital coupons out. So that is what happened in this transaction for me. So my digital coupon did not come off for the Poise, my $3 digital, nor did my $3 digital come off for the Febreze. So that's a total of $6 that I have to contact Walgreens customer service for. I tried contacting Walgreens, tried chatting with them, but their website is pretty busy right now. So I am going to contact them a little bit later so that I can get my $6 back. And so that is pretty much the only issue, which I knew it would probably happen, that at least one of my digital coupons weren't going to come off. So that's pretty much everything that I got in this transaction, guys. And then I also used a paper booster, get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt. So as you can see, the Scott rung up at buy one get one 50% off. All 3 of my Oral-B toothbrush rung up at $4, so $12 total. My Poise rung up at $5.99. My $2 IVC coupon did come off. Both of my Febreze rung up at $2.99. Both of my Colgate rung up at $3.99, so $7.98. And then both of my Colgate toothbrushes rung up at $3.99, so $7.98. And then here is where she mistakenly and only rung me up for 2 instead of 3. But again, she did go ahead and credit me the $5.29 back to my card. And then this is the paper booster that I use to get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So as you can see, my Colgate toothpaste digital $5 came off. My Colgate $3 digital came off. The $3 for the Colgate, the Oral-B, and then my $2 for the Oral-B. And then here are all 6 of my $5 registry rewards, totaling me $30. My subtotal came out to be $23.91. I was going to use points, but I decided to just go ahead and use my Walgreens MasterCard. So I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket, but I did decide to go ahead and use my Walgreens MasterCard. And then when you look down here, I earned back $21.78. So of that $21, 4 came from the Colgate toothpaste, 4 came from the Colgate toothbrushes, 5 came from the Oral-B toothbrushes, and then the 7 came from the paper booster that I use, get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. And then the $178 that came from the extra my Walgreens points or whatnot. So you guys, that is pretty much it for this transaction. Like I said, nothing special. I just wanted to make sure that I used my registry rewards because I wanted to stock up on the Scott products. So nothing special really, you guys. Let me know in the comment section what you all plan to get this week at Walgreens. My Walgreens is completely out of the Febreze fabric, and this is what I'm after this week specifically. So I am going to go to my second Walgreens to see if I can grab about 4 more bottles of these so that I can get my stockpile back up. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Again, let me know what you all are getting this week at Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I haven't submitted my receipt yet, but I know that I'm going to get some points for the Scott. So if you're not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So again, that's going to be it, you guys, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.